morning, children. My name is B. Ravinder Reddy. I am working at Government High School, Parpalli Street, Siddipet. So, we till today what we completed up to lecture number 17. 17 lectures we completed in acids and bases. Now we are at what lecture number 18. So about what pH scale. pH scale. So pH scale was introduced by S.P. Sorensen. Who introduced? S.P. Sorensen. S.P. Sorensen. He belongs to what? Germany. So S.P. Sorensen introduced what? pH scale. What is meant by pH? What is meant by pH? pH is defined as negative logarithm of H plus ions. Negative logarithm of H plus ions is called as what? pH. Negative logarithm of H plus ions is called as what? pH. Next one. So pH, what is the abbreviation of this pH? So pH means positions of dihydrogen. Positions of what? Dihydrogen. pH means positions of dihydrogen. So positions of dihydrogen means what? Potence of hydrogen. Potence of what? Hydrogen. It is the what? German word. So potence means what? Power of hydrogen. Potence means what? Power. So exact abbreviation is positions of dihydrogen. So this positions of dihydrogen is what? It is the what? In German it is called as what? pH means potence. In English potence means what? Power of hydrogen. That means what? So how it will give what? How much H plus ions or how much concentration of H plus ions is releases in what? By taking of what? 1 mole of substance. 1 mole of substance. So this pH scale is used to representation of H plus ions, representation of concentration of H plus ions of weak and strong acids. What weak? It is what applicable for weak acids as well as what? Strong acids, weak acids, strong acids, and as well as what? Weak bases and strong bases. Weak bases and strong bases. It is applicable for what? It is what used to represent the concentration of H plus ions whose solution is having less than 1 mole. Whose solution is having what? Less than 1 m concentration. 1 moles per liter. 1 moles per liter concentration. Less than 1 moles per liter concentration. That means what? It is applicable for dilute solutions only. Dilute solutions. Dilute acid and bases only. Dilute acids and bases only. pH scale is present. pH scale is present from 0 to 14. 0 to 14. Does it always present as 0 to 14? No. This 0 to 14 is what? Derived from Kw value. Kw of water at 25 degrees centigrade is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 moles square per liter square. Moles square per liter square. If temperature is increases, Kw value is what will happen? Increases means what? The 10 to the power of negative power is decreases. So if temperature is increases, negative power is decreases. Kw value is increases, negative power is decreases. Whenever it has 10 to the power of minus 13, we have 0 to 13 only. 0 to 13 only. That means what? It is the temperature dependent value. Temperature dependent value. So in general, what this whatever it may be the book where when we are considered, in all books it is present from 0 to 14 only. 0 to 14 only. But we should kept what this concept in our mind. This will pH scale is depends upon the what? Kw value. Kw value at 25 degrees centigrade is 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. So if temperature is increases, Kw value is also increases. Increases means this negative value decreases. So 10 to the power of minus 13 if we will get, then pH is 0 to 13 we will get. pH values are present from 0 to 14. 0 to 14 values we have. So this will depends upon what? Hydrogen H plus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration is 10 to the power of 0 to 10 to the power of minus 14. Whenever the pH value is what? 0 to what? 6. 0 to 6. pH value 0 to 6 means what? 0 to 6.9 or 0 to 7. Let me take 0 to 7 value. 0 to 7, that is what? Acid. 0 to 7 is what? Acid. 7 to what? 14. 7 to 14 is base. The solution which has what pH value is 7 to 14, that is said to be what base. If pH value is what? 7. If pH value is 7, that is said to be what? Neutral. That is said to be what? Neutral in nature. Neutral in nature. pH values are present 0 to 14. 0 to 7 is acids. 7 to 14 is base. 7 is neutral. The pH value is whose solution? The pH values what of whose solution is what? 0 to 3. 0 to 3. This 0 to 3 is what? This is a strong acid. This is what? Strong acid. This is what? A strong acid. From 4 to 7. 4 to 7. 4 to 7. This is what? Weak acid. 4 to 7 is what? Weak acid. Weak acid. This 0 to 3 is what? Strong acid. 4 to 7 is what? Weak acid. Weak acid. Similarly, 8 to 10. 8 to 10 pH value. 8 to 10 pH value. This is what? Weak base. 8 to 10 pH value is weak base. 11 to 14 is what? Strong base. Strong base. So 0 to 7 is acid. In that 7, so 0 to 3 what pH value containing acid is what? Strong acid. 4 to 7 pH value containing acid is what? Weak acid. Whereas in the case of base, 8 to 10 pH value containing solution is weak base. 11 to 14 pH value containing solution is what? Strong base. Strong base. And that what? The solution color, the solution pH value is what? Measured, or pH value is calculated with universal indicator, which by using of which indicator? Universal indicator. That universal indicator shows what? Different colors at different pH values. Different colors at different pH values. Now let me see the what? Universal indicator color. These are the colors of what? Universal indicator at different pH values. At different pH values. Universal indicator colors at different pH values. If it was at 0 pH value, 0 pH value, the color of this one is vermilion color. Vermilion color. If pH value is 1, pH value is 1, that is said to be dark red color. Dark red color. Dark red color. If what? pH value is what? 2, that is present as what? Red in color. If pH value is 3, orange color. If pH value is 4, pH value is 4, pale orange color or pale yellow color. If pH value is 5, somewhat what? Yellowish green, or it may be said to be what? Orange yellow color. Next one, pH value is 6, that is what? Pale yellow color, greenish yellow color. If pH value is 7, that is what? Green color, complete green color. So orange, red color too, that means vermilion color, dark red color to green color, it is changed in the acidic medium. So if it is 8, light green color. If it is 9, somewhat turns into what? Indigo green color. If it is 10, navy blue color, it is turns into what? Navy blue color. If 11, it is turns into what? Purple color. If it is what? 12, light blue color, or what? It is in some cases it is dark blue color. So if 13 and 14, it is turns into what? Purple or violet color. So these are the what? Different colors. So the color what? The color prediction is what? Somewhat very difficult to what? With our naked eye. So because these are what? Somewhat what? These are, so let you see, these are what? Having what? Almost same color. So these are what? Having almost same in color. The middle what? 6 to 10 also what? Resembles as what? Same in color. So that's why it is somewhat what? Difficult, even though what? In our standard up to here, so we have what? Prediction of pH value by using of universal indicator only. So here what? One table we have. So here what? Different solutions are given. 17 solutions are given. So we should find out what? The color of the pH paper, and from that we will get what? Approximate pH value, and we can write what? Nature of the solution we can write. So now what? HCl, when we see the what? HCl, this HCl what? HCl color of pH HCl is, it is what? Red or orange color. Universal indicator color is what? Red or orange color. So approximate pH value is what? 3. And it has what? Acidic in nature. Similarly, what we will write, what all the what by testing of universal indicator color, and we can what determine the what the nature of the pH values, and as well as what nature of the solution. Here are what I gave you what different what pH values, so it is very difficult to determine, so that's why I am giving what so pH values I am giving. So from that what from these pH values you can determine what color of the universal indicator, and from that you can write what the nature of the substance given to you, and I will provide what colors also. These are the what colors of what indicators at different and color names at different pH values, Now let we prove pH plus pOH is equal to 14. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. In order to prove, so we have what Kw value. This is the experimental Kw value at 25 degrees centigrade. Kw means ionic product of water. Ionic product of water is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 moles square per liter square. So Kw is nothing but what? It is the what ionic product of water. Water has what H plus and OH minus ions. So that's why ionic product of water is how much? 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14. And we know pH is equal to minus negative logarithm of H plus ion, as well as what pOH is what negative logarithm of OH minus, OH minus ions. Now I am taking what this Kw value. Kw is equal to what concentration of H plus into concentration of what OH minus, concentration of H plus and concentration of OH minus. Taking logarithm both sides, what we will get log Kw is equal to what log Kw is equal to logarithm of H plus into OH minus, OH minus we can take. So log Kw value is what? 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14. Is equal to log A into B is equal to what? Log A plus log B. Log H plus and what? Plus log OH minus. So log 1 into 10 to the power log A to the power of m is equal to what we can write? M log A we can write. Minus 14, 1 into 10 is 10, log 10 we can write, is equal to logarithm of H plus ion plus logarithm of what OH minus ion. Log 10 is equal to how much? 1. So minus 14 into 1 is equal to the same log H plus into log OH minus. So minus 14 is equal to log H plus log what OH minus. Now I am multiplying with negative symbol. Whenever multiplied with negative symbol, negative into negative is what? Positive. So minus logarithm of H plus of minus logarithm of what OH minus. Negative logarithm of H plus is equal to what? pH. Negative logarithm of OH minus is equal to what? POH. So that's why pH plus POH is equal to how much we got? 14. pH plus POH is equal to 14. pH plus POH is equal to 14. We are proved. So Kw by taking of Kw value and from the known principles. H plus into OH minus, this is the ionic product of water. Kw is nothing but ionic product of water, and pH is minus logarithm of H plus, POH is negative logarithm of OH minus. These values, up to these values we know. So now I am taking Kw is equal to H plus into OH minus, ionic product of water. Kw value is how much? So 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14, and what by taking of logarithm on both sides, I will get log Kw is equal to log H plus into OH minus. So log 10 to the power of minus 14 is equal to log H plus log OH minus. Log AB is equal to log A into B. This value is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14. It is log A to the power of m form. So m log A. So log 10 value is 1. Log H plus log OH minus. So that's why minus 14 is equal to log H plus log OH minus multiplied with negative symbol both sides. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. So here plus and here what? Plus into minus minus. So that's why minus logarithm of H plus minus logarithm of OH minus, pH plus POH. These are the some principles we use it to calculate pH of given solution. pH of given solution. First principle is what? pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion. Second one is what? pOH is equal to negative logarithm of OH minus ion. pKw is equal to minus log Kw. Minus log Kw. Kw is ionic product of water, which was how much? 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 mole square per liter square. Next one, pKa is equal to what? Minus log Ka. pKa is equal to what? Minus log Ka. Next one, Ka is what? Acid dissociation constant. Similarly, pKb is equal to what? We will get minus log Kb we will get. Minus log Kb. Kb is what? Base dissociation constant. Base dissociation constant. So H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power of minus pH. pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion, it is the base 10. So that's why H plus ion is equal to 10 to the power of pH, negative symbol minus. So 10 to the power of minus pH. Similarly, OH minus is equal to 10 to the power of minus POH. POH 10 to the power of. And Ka, acid dissociation constant, is equal to C alpha square. Acid dissociation constant is equal to C alpha square. C is what? Concentration of given acid or base. This is used for weak acids and bases. Weak acids. So alpha is what? Dissociation constant, degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation. Kb is equal to what? Base dissociation constant is equal to what? C alpha square. C is what? Base concentration. Alpha is what? Degree of dissociation of weak base. H plus ion concentration is equal, sometimes if we gave K and Ka and C, by using of this one, H plus ion concentration is equal to under root of KSC, we can calculate H plus, and by substituting here we will get pH value. Similarly, OH minus ion concentration is equal to under root of KBC. KBC. So if Kb and C values are given, from that we can calculate OH minus ion concentration. From that we can calculate POH value, and pH plus POH is equal to 14. From that we can calculate pH of the solution. Now dear students, take what screenshot, and from that screenshots you can write notes. Dear students, kindly share these videos to the who are having not coaching affordability. Dear students, subscribe my channel, so in order to get what all the videos so whenever what I uploaded.